On the road outside, on other side, left and right, because many a time I'm told this security will sit inside and will say, go, you go, and somebody may hit you, right, when you are exiting the campus or when you are entering. So we demand that there should be hung on the outside, the gate as well, in all the gates, all the 5 gates that we have on both sides, left and right, we have to have. Because in any university, you go to Guwahati University, of course today they don't allow you to pass through it. At one point of time, the airport road was through the Guwahati University, and you will see in each gate there were all these humps created. Of course, we have been so, comfortable thinking that things of this kind will never happen to us. This is a wake-up call. It is a wake-up call because it could have been anybody, friends. Believe me, it could have been me and you. And I feel terribly, terribly scared when I think of that we are not secure, and we have to ensure that this security has to be met. Of course, the other important aspect is also we should now demand the inauguration of the gate number 1. Now it has been 6 months, friends. On the 30th of May, this issue was discussed in the EC meeting of Delhi. 6 months have passed, nothing has been done. The gate is ready. I would say, let's allow the university authority maybe a week's time. After a week's time, if they don't inaugurate, let NEHU, and NEHU inaugurate that gate, so that will be the main entry. Gate number 2 will be for exit. Those coming from Katan Masar side, those coming from the Motawar side. Gate number 3 will be the one entry, and exit will be gate number 2. Unless we have this facility lying with us, this gate has been there almost for a year. We are waiting for what? Yes, we know there are some issues, but that is not our problem. This is the problem of the administration. Professor Shukla knowingly delayed the construction and payment of this particular guy. And that's why the cost escalation has happened, and naturally he will demand some more money. But that is the problem of the university. I think we should demand that gate number 1 should be operational immediately after this grave accident, and that should be the main gate of entrance, and exit will be gate number 2. And I would request that we give 1 week time to the university administration. If you don't inaugurate it, let's all of us, all 3 associations, go together and inaugurate. We don't need a VIP to inaugurate that road. We will inaugurate in the larger interest, because contractor can be talked to. We can explain to him that there is a need for security in the campus. We cannot wait for your payment to be clear so that we use the gate. The gate has been made. You have been paid a large sum of money. A part of it, if you are demanding more because of cost escalation, that will happen at a later point of time. Let's start using that gate. And with that, I think we will ensure that there is a smooth flow. That is, of course, one part of it. The entire security scenario has to be revisited. Because all these years, we have seen that the security agencies are doing. Believe me, friends, nobody is going to do it. We have to do it ourselves. As an association, 3 statutory associations, we will take a call. We will do what is needed to ensure that ever in future in the history of NEHU, these kind of grave scenario should never happen. And for that, I will request all of us to let's be mindful, let's introspect, let's see how best we can do. While we are praying for the speedy recovery of our dear students, let's keep in mind what all we can do so that we prevent once and for all that in future such kind of incidents, such kind of accidents should never happen, for which we will require an agency which is totally professional, who are thorough. They are not checking even any vehicle. Imagine a drunken man, how did he enter?
Good evening, O God. With a greatest heart that we come into this place, we gather from different communities. We gather from different religions and different faith and different domination, O God. We came here to bring our sisters into your hand. Lord, we know that is the greatest possible thing that they have faced in their life, but we have impossible. That we will touch them, O God. That we will mend the broken pieces. That you will touch them. You will heal them completely. And we have no doubt that you are the God of the impossible. And that there is nothing that's impossible with you, O my Lord. I pray in this name.